Hey there, and welcome to this explainer. I am so excited to have you here today. We're going to dive straight into this really fascinating, entirely data-driven 7-day experiment. We are looking at someone who basically test drove 5 of the most popular AI side hustles flying around the internet right now. The goal? To see what actually puts money in your pocket, and honestly, what's just a total waste of your time.
I mean, it's the million-dollar question, right? Can AI actually make you money? It feels like literally everywhere you look, someone is talking about getting rich with AI tools. But man, there is so much questionable or just flat-out fake info out there. We really need to take a step back and ask, can these methods actually generate real, tangible income for absolute beginners who are starting entirely from scratch?
So, our goal today is super simple. We are stripping away the hype. On one hand, you've got these so-called gurus promising you the moon, but they never actually show you real, transparent results. Well, we're throwing all that noise out the window. We're looking exclusively at hard, verified data from a strict, heavily monitored 7-day test. We want reality here, not fairy tales.
Okay, so here's our roadmap for the explainer. First up, the AI hustle boom. Then we'll look at the rules of the experiment, move into the low-earning hustles, check out the surprising middle, reveal the ultimate winning strategy, and wrap up with how to avoid failing.
All right, jumping right into section 1, the AI hustle boom, and why exactly this tech is exploding.
So here's what's happening right now. Primarily in the US, but really growing all over the world, thousands of absolute beginners are making money online using simple AI tools. And we're talking zero coding knowledge, absolutely no prior experience needed. Companies are literally paying everyday people to execute tasks using platforms like ChatGPT and Midjourney. Why would they do that? Well, it's simple. Paying a freelancer who uses AI saves those companies massive amounts of time and money compared to the old way of doing things.
That brings us to section 2, the rules of the experiment. We needed a strict 7-day test.
Now, to test all these wild internet claims fairly, the Source experiment set up a really rigorous set of scientific parameters. This makes sure the results actually apply to everyday people like you and me. They followed 4 unbreakable rules. First, a strict $0 starting budget. You can't spend a dime. Second, only beginner-friendly tools were allowed. Third, they had to rely entirely on real established freelance platforms. Think Fiverr and Upwork. And finally, a hard stop at exactly 7 days per method. By locking in these constraints, we get a truly honest look at what actually works.
Moving on to section 3, the low-earning hustles. Let's look at what absolutely didn't work.
Let's start with the stuff that fell completely flat, even though, honestly, they sound pretty amazing on paper. The experiment tested 2 super hyped concepts. First up was selling AI digital art, specifically using Midjourney to create prints to sell on Etsy and post on Instagram. The second was running one of those faceless YouTube channels you hear so much about. This meant generating scripts with ChatGPT, grabbing an AI voice generator for the narration, slapping it over some stock footage, and publishing 3 complete videos. And here is the harsh reality. Both of these heavily hyped methods brought in absolutely $0 in 7 days. Yeah, total goose egg. For the AI art, the creator figured out that unless you already have an established audience, getting people to actually buy your prints is incredibly tough. But there is a silver lining here. While that faceless YouTube channel made $0 that week, one of those generated videos actually racked up 10,000 views. That is huge. It shows that this method is clearly more of a long-term game with massive potential. It's just not a quick 7-day cash grab. All right, on to section 4, the surprising middle. This is where we hit our first profitable methods.
So, stepping away from the $0 club, we enter the middle of the pack. The third method tested was AI content writing, and the strategy here was incredibly straightforward. Just generate simple, effective blog posts using ChatGPT, list those writing services over on Fiverr, and price the articles super affordably, between $10 and $25 a pop.
And would you look at that? We have our first profitable hustle. This method actually brought in $60 after landing 3 orders in those 7 days. It absolutely proves the concept works. But the creator did note a pretty major caveat. This space is incredibly competitive. If you're going to try this, your Fiverr gig absolutely needs excellent titles and eye-catching thumbnails, just to stand out from the massive crowd.
Next up in our middle tier was AI voiceovers. This whole setup involved using high-quality AI voice tools to generate professional-sounding narration for other creators' YouTube videos. And just like the writing gig, the experiment used Fiverr as the main marketplace to track down buyers who needed audio for their content. Now, this hustle actually doubled the previous earnings. It brought in a very respectable $120 for a single week of side hustle work. But you might be wondering, what's the secret sauce here? Well, according to the experiment, the real key to success in the AI voiceover game is incredibly fast delivery times. Buyers in this space are almost always on tight deadlines, and they absolutely love a quick turnaround. You provide that speed, and you're gonna get the orders.
Okay, Section 5, the ultimate winning strategy. Time to reveal the clear $500 winner. The most successful method, by a long shot, was positioning yourself generally as an AI freelancer. Instead of boxing themselves in by just selling articles or voiceovers, the creator offered highly practical everyday business services. We're talking about writing resumes, drafting corporate emails, and creating engaging social media captions. They basically position themselves as a dedicated problem solver who just happens to use AI-assisted tools.
And this perfectly highlights the absolute power of providing immediate, undeniable business value. By helping people land jobs with polished resumes or helping businesses communicate clearly with emails, this method generated a massive $520 in just 7 days. Honestly, that's a staggering difference compared to the other methods, especially when you remember this all started from a $0 budget. When you compare these top 3 earning methods side by side, the contrast is just wild. You can instantly see how significantly practical AI freelancing, sitting pretty at $520, completely outperformed the more highly hyped writing and voiceover gigs. It wasn't even close. Solving specific, tedious problems for businesses and professionals, that's exactly where the real money is hiding.
Finally, let's wrap things up with Section 6, how to avoid failing. These are the biggest mistakes you need to watch out for.
Now, the creator of this experiment had some very explicit warnings based on their 7 days in the trenches. If you want to succeed, you have to avoid 3 major mistakes. First, never ever submit raw AI output. You just can't rely fully on the tool. You have to edit the text yourself so it sounds human and tailored to the client. Second, avoid blindly jumping into overcrowded, saturated niches where you just can't compete. And third, despite the whole 7-day time frame of this test, please don't expect instant, overnight success. Building a real income requires real patience and a lot of iteration.
So if there is one crucial point I want you to take away from this entire explainer, it's summed up perfectly in this core philosophy. Businesses don't care how you do the work, they care about results. Clients are paying you to solve a headache for them. They just want the polished, finished result, regardless of what fancy AI software you fired up in the background to get it done faster. Remember, your actual value is in the outcome, not the tool.
Now that we've broken down all the actual, verified data, separated the wild hype from the reality, and crowned our $500 winner, there's really only one question left. Which of these AI methods are you going to experiment with yourself? The tools are out there, they're completely free to start, and as we've seen today, the opportunity is very, very real if you apply it smartly. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. So what's your first move going to be?
If you found this documentary helpful, subscribe to the channel for more deep explorations into artificial intelligence, future technology, science, and the hidden forces shaping our world.